Hey guys, it's Roller Coaster Review here, and today we have an unboxing, time-lapse build, and review of the K'NEX Blizzard Blast roller coaster building set. So, the package just came today, and here's what it looks like. So let's cut it right open. Okay, let's go. Oh, kind of a bad angle there, but here we are, the K'NEX Blizzard Blast roller coaster building set. This is just a typical size box. Alright, so let's jump right into the box. Trying to get in there without getting locked. There we go. So we got a big bag of pieces. Got our track, instruction booklet. Let's see, chain. Wow. Those are some curved pieces. Yeah, these are new. I've never seen these before. These aren't hard. They're like hard, so they aren't like flexible, but they're curved. Those are pretty cool. Let's see, what else do we got down in there? Okay, got the motor and the car. Okay, let's go right to the time lapse. Overall, I think the K'NEX Blizzard Blast roller coaster is a great set. The building was pretty easy. There might be a few challenging moments, especially getting those bright neon pieces onto the curved track pieces, which are new. I actually kind of like those. But the one issue I did have, and that was like the only issue, was the car would come on the chain lift wrong. and it would get jammed on the top portion of the lift hill. But that was pretty easy to resolve. Once you got that resolved, it works great. So yeah, I think it's definitely worth it, and I would recommend this set. I would also like to mention that I bought a microphone, so I'll be doing some more like top 10s and reviews of different roller coasters once I get that. And so my first one of those will be coming out next week.